How to convert T-Mobile to global mode. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to convert your T-Mobile phone to global mode so you can use it on international networks. If you've tried traveling abroad with your T-Mobile phone and noticed it doesn't connect to local networks, it's usually because the phone is locked at T-Mobile or not set to global mode. You might see no service or weak LTE signals while overseas. Don't worry, I'll show you step by step how to unlock your T-Mobile phone and enable global settings so it works internationally. Now, let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check if your phone is eligible for unlocking. Log into your T-Mobile account online or via the app. Go to Account and Lines and Devices and check your device status. Eligibility usually requires the phone to be fully paid off and active for at least 40 days. Step 2. Request the unlock from T-Mobile. If your phone is eligible, submit a device unlock request through the T-Mobile website or app. T-Mobile will email you instructions or confirmation once approved. Unlock approval usually takes a few hours to 24 hours. Be patient before trying global settings. Step 3. Update your phone settings to global mode. On your phone, go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Networks, then Network Mode. Switch from LTE or 5G auto to global or automatic depending on your device. Step 4. Insert a local SIM card abroad. Once your phone is unlocked and in global mode, insert the SIM card from a local carrier. Restart your phone to allow it to register on the new network. Step 5. Test connectivity and data. Check that calls, SMS, and mobile data are working. If data isn't working, manually update APN settings from the local carrier. Most phones connect automatically, but some regions require APN configuration for LTE or 5G. And that's it. Your T-Mobile phone should now work globally, letting you use local networks while traveling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile guides.